everyone, this is Lady Trader. In this video, I'll show you how to use the WEEX platform for futures trading, step by step. We'll cover how to set up your account, how to understand the interface, and how to open and close your first trade. Let's start with the basics. WEEX is a crypto exchange focused on futures and derivatives trading. It also supports spot trading and additional tools for managing your portfolio. What makes it stand out is fast execution, deep liquidity, and a clean interface. Before trading on any platform, it's important to understand how everything works. Let's begin with the margin mode. On WEEX, you have two options: cross margin and isolated margin. Cross margin uses your full balance to support all positions. Isolated margin limits risk to a single trade. If you're a beginner, always start with isolated. Next, position mode. You can choose combined positions or separate positions. Combined mode merges positions in the same direction. Separate mode keeps each trade independent. Choose based on your strategy. Now, before trading with real funds, use demo mode. Go to futures and select demo trading. You can request demo balance and practice risk-free. This is one of the best ways to understand leverage and test your strategy. If you're coming from spot trading, start with low leverage, even 1x. Then gradually increase it as you gain experience. Now, let's talk about order types. There are two main types: market orders and limit orders. Market order executes instantly at the current price. Limit order lets you control your entry price. Whenever possible, use limit orders. They reduce fees and improve execution. To open a position, select your pair, for example, BTC USDT. Choose margin mode, leverage, and order type. Enter your position size. Now, set risk management. Add take profit and stop loss. Stop loss is critical. Never trade without it. It protects your capital if the market moves against you. Buy long or sell short. Confirm the trade. Once opened, you'll see your position here. You can track P&L, entry price, margin, and size. Now, let's close a position. You have two options: market close or limit close. Using limit orders can help reduce fees. Select close position and set your exit price. You can also adjust your order directly on the chart. Drag your take profit or stop loss levels. This is especially useful for active traders. As price moves in your favor, you can trail your stop loss to reduce risk. Once price reaches your target, the position closes automatically. You can review your results in position history. To summarize, always understand margin mode before trading. Start with demo and low leverage. Use stop loss on every trade. And focus on consistency, not just profit. That's how you trade futures on WEEX. This is Lady Trader, and see you in the next video.